The stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grandy.
Our plan, this tax plan, is pro-family, it's pro-economic growth. From the very beginning, our goal has been to improve everyone's lives through this tax plan, give them more opportunities. For an average family of four making $50,000, it is estimated it will be a $1,182 tax cut. So no matter who you are, you're going to see more money in your pocket.
If we allow a family to keep another $1,000 of their income, what does that mean? They can renovate their kitchen. They can buy a new. They can buy a new car. They can take a family vacation. They can increase their lifestyle.
Just unbelievable. Welcome to Phil's Gang, coast to coast around the country, off the Wall Street Radio Network. Hope you had a good weekend. I did, except for listening to these news shows on Sunday. I never heard so much baloney in my life. Lie after lie after lie. Why don't they just come out and tell the truth? That the guys are going to make out the best. They're going to be the very, very wealthy because they have lobbyists. It's that simple. Tell the truth. I don't have a lobbyist. You don't have a lobbyist. And if we dug up J.P. Morgan, he said he doesn't have a lobbyist. These big guys do. So if you have a lobbyist in Washington, especially if he was in the Senate, especially if he was on the banking committee, and you can pay him well, you're going to get what you want. You really believe the person who works for a wage, who doesn't have the money to give to one of these representatives or one of these senators through a lobbyist, you really think they're going to get a good deal? What are you, nuts? I love it the way they're talking about this $1,182. It's ridiculous. An average family of four making $59,000 will save $1,182 a year. But wait a minute. That's gone. Health insurance. You guys screwed up. You would not stand behind Trump. You screwed Trump. You didn't stand behind him and get rid of the health insurance. Get rid of Obamacare. Repeal it. It needs to be repealed or none of this works. The cost has doubled. For a family of four making $59,000, the cost of his premiums have gone double to $9,900. So he's going to get $1,182. Oh, that's right. He can take that $1,182 and remodel a kitchen. What is it with this guy Cohen? Is he that out of touch that an average kitchen, just an average, not good stuff, Home Depot kind of stuff, you're talking a minimum $22,000. He says you can remodel the whole kitchen for $1,182. That's how far removed these guys are from reality. They make so much money they don't even know what food costs because they don't go shopping. Vacation? Can you imagine the dump you're going to go to? If you got $1,182 to go on a vacation. That includes plane fare, food. I can't wait to see the place they're going to send you for $1,182. It's got to be the Cockroach Holiday Inn or something. I mean, my Lord. Do they really think we believe this stuff? Yeah, they must. They must. Remember, just like when they sold us, took parking space in our heads about Obamacare. Remember what Gruber said? He's the one that put it together.
Lack of transparency is a huge political advantage. And basically, call it the stupidity of the American voter or whatever. But basically, that was really, really critical to getting the thing to pass.
Yeah, so Gruber says it was critical that the people in the United States were stupid so we could get this passed. Now, Cohen, Mnuchin, they're all saying the same thing. They're saying the exact same thing. People are so stupid, we got to bank on it to get this this tax cut through. I mean, think about it. Put this tax cut in perspective. An average family of four makes $59,000 a year, gets $1,182 tax savings. That's it. But he's still got the health insurance he's facing, gasoline, rent, food. There's nothing left. Let's not even go with the remodel the kitchen. That's so silly. Or vacation. Okay, there is some good. There is some good. But the problem is all the good gets wiped out because they didn't repeal, the Republicans were cowards, and they didn't repeal Obamacare. They screwed Trump. I mean, think about it. Now, the good? Okay, there's some good. They increased the standard deduction to protect roughly double the amount of what you earn each year from taxes, from $6,350 to $12,000 for individuals, and $12,700 to $24,000 for married couples. Okay, that's good. You double it, $6,000 to $12,000, $12,000 $24,000. Okay, I get that. They're expanding the child tax credit from $1,000 to $1,600. That's good too. That helps parents. Cost of raising children. Now, they also preserve the home mortgage interest deduction, but they limited it up to $500,000. They also are allowing people now to write off the cost of state and local property taxes, but they tapped it at $10,000. But wait a minute, why even tap it at $10,000? Or cap it at $10,000, or cap the deduction $500,000? They're not doing that for the wealthy. They're not doing that for the wealthy, not at all. And what's really funny when people don't understand how this thing really works, there's so much money. Okay, these lobbyists, okay, they go to Congress. And now remember when we say lobbyists, who are these guys? These are the guys who were in the House and in the Senate. These are guys who are, they know the deal. I mean, they were part of the Senate. They're part of the House of Representatives. They're part of the Banking Committee. They left the office. Now they become lobbyists. And what they do is they make the deals. They're the lobbyists now. They walk in to their buddies and they cut the deals. And the key is speed. Get it done as quick as you can, because everything they save for the rich guy is added on to Medicare, Medicaid. Yeah, everything that's saved, every penny they save, guess where they shove it to? On the cost of Medicaid and Medicare. I mean, it's just a joke. It's just a joke. So, what they don't mention, by the way, is that this guy Cohen, he forgets to mention that the tax cuts of the $1,182 a year for the middle class are temporary. Yeah, they didn't mention that. Morris, she didn't mention that when she was on Meet the Press this week. Why didn't she say, wait a minute, these are temporary? What good are they if they're temporary? Right off the bat, it smells. But wait a minute, corporate taxes aren't temporary. Well, why? Why are they temporary for you and me, but not for the big guys? Because they got to raise taxes on the middle class. That's why. Because we have $100 trillion in unfunded liabilities earmarked for 70 million baby boomers. But she didn't say that yesterday. Or Cohen. Think about it. They got to raise taxes to cover the $100 trillion that's unfunded, that's earmarked for 70 million baby boomers who are now starting to retire. Couple that, $100 trillion, with the soaring $800 billion trade deficit, and then then you got the massive spending on Social Security and Medicare, which alone dwarfs the entire budget deficit. Oh, they didn't tell us about that, though, did they? Unbelievable. We'll be right back after this break.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. Phil'sGang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. Phil'sGang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. We're offering the most powerful stock charts available on the market. The Max Best 1000 charts. Now, the difference between these charts and all the other charts is this follows the money. Yes, it gives you a buy-sell signal. I know you're going to say, well, they all do. No, not true. The difference with the Max Best is they follow the important money. The hedge funds, the biggest banks, the 401ks, the pension fund managers. That's the big difference. They're not following the emotion. That's what most charts do. They follow the money. That's what Max Best does, follows the money. Check it out. Join my gang, philsgang.com. Oh, and the chart is low as $19.95 a month. For more information, just go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG. We will see you on the charts.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264.
It's never too early to plan for the holidays. And this year, why not give the gift of comprehensive stock market investing knowledge with a Phil's Gang gift certificate? That's right. For only $39.95, you could give someone special on your holiday list the gift of the Phil's Gang membership. What a great idea. Giving someone complete access to all of Phil's material, including the daily live webinar class, alerts, Phil's recommendations, plus so much more. For more information, simply go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
They offer a free weekend seminar class. They put big dazzling names with their programs. But are they really just offering a sales pitch? At philsgang.com, we are the leader in teaching, informing, and helping members understand stock charting, investing in the stock market, and making true profits. With over 40 years of investing experience, only Phil Grandy and the philsgang.com team provides daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, all the investing educational videos you could imagine. Plus, the philsgang.com friendly customer support team is available when you need us most. Why pay thousands of dollars for a weekend seminar when for only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com provides all the daily market investing information you need to make profits in the stock market? Don't hesitate. Learn, invest, and make profits with philsgang.com. For more information, simply go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Again, 877-600-4264.
So right now, we're doing is I told my gang we're going to slowly start buying gold and gold mining stocks. Please join the gang right now. 877-600-GANG. Why don't you try it? Very low risk, big rewards.
Don't wait. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Join Phil's Gang today and follow Phil on the gold stocks. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264.
St. Jude helps save kids with cancer everywhere.
I'm from Florida. I'm from Illinois. Where are you from?
I don't remember. I was a baby when I was born.
Donate now at stjude.org or shop where you see the St. Jude logo.
Welcome back. Learn, invest, and make profits with Phil Grandy. Simply go to philsgang.com. Now, here's Phil. The Phil's Gang Stock Corner is brought to you by the MaxVest 1000 Stock Charts.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. Okay, while they're working on this tax bill, the stock market has stalled. Remember what's going on. We have a rate hike coming on December 13th, and we have another 2 rate hikes in 2018. We've already had 4. Now, these rate hikes for large corporations could really hurt because, remember, these large corporations are already levered up big time. They owe $6 trillion. They borrowed $6 trillion, these large corporations, and they owe that money. So when they raise rates, their earnings contract. So what they'll do is do stock buybacks to push up the stock price to mask it. That creates a bubble. And that's what they do, create bubbles. Crazy, isn't it? And that's what they've been doing. Now, these large corporations, they're going to have a hard time. It's been over a decade since the U.S., we have achieved a 3% GDP economic growth. Over 10 years, we haven't seen an economic growth, but we're being told we're going to see at the end of 2017 a 3% economic growth. How could that be? President has been in for a year. The only shot he had that could have made that happen if they repealed Obamacare. But it didn't happen. I don't understand where they think they can get this growth from. Last year, our economy grew 1.6%. What are we doing different now than we did a year ago? And whatever good things he did, the president, as far as regulations, it takes 18 months from the time you cut a regulation to it goes into effect where you save money a company. It's 18 months. It's like a rate increase or rate decrease. Before it gets into the system, it's 18 months. You just don't cut a regulation. Bang, you get the benefit. Where are they going to get this 3% growth from? It's a lie. Even the CBO, the Congressional Budget Office, estimated for this year it's going to be 2.3%. But they're telling us they're going to get a 3% growth. We're going to talk about growth when we get back. But first, let's talk about making some money. Okay, if I told you some time ago that I wanted you to buy Juniper, I wanted you to buy BBBY, part of my video stock group. Very simple. On my homepage, if you have a mobile device, you can go on now. Go to my homepage, and you'll see right at the very top, it'll say MV2 stock, and it's got video. Very easy. You just go to the homepage. It's right on the bar. You click on, and then the stock that you follow is right there. A video pops up, tells you exactly what to do. So if you were with me with Juniper, you would have gotten at least a 10% return on Juniper. BBBY, the same thing, at least 10%, maybe more. Gold, you would have got 8 to 10%. And the spiders, 5%. So now I've got some new videos I want to introduce you to. And I'm not saying because we got the 10% on those 3 stocks average for each one, I'm not going to say that you're going to get 10% on these stocks. I don't know. But I can tell you this. When we average the 10% on the other stocks, the 3 stocks, we're going to do the same thing with this. We're going to use the same formula, the same pattern, and we're using the MV2 color-coded chart that tells us when the money's coming in from the institutions. So we get in exactly at the right time, but more important, we get out. By the way, your 401k, they don't ever let you out in time. Isn't that awful, 401k? You get a stock market crash, you're stuck. You can't get out. You got to wait to the end of the day. Isn't that awful? So anyways, I have a couple stocks. I have one that we've been following, ACC. ACC is American Campus. This is setting up beautifully. So this is brand new. Why don't you join the gang? It's $39.95. And then during the day, and 24 hours a day, you got my video. And we update the video constantly to tell you exactly what to do. Here's what my gang is doing. You do the same thing. Tells you, okay, we're going to add to our position. We explain why, so you can learn at the same time. Or we're going to take maybe some of our position off. So I think this is an excellent pattern. It's looking terrific. The institutions that are coming in, it's looking beautiful. ACC. So this would be a great opportunity to start. Here's the number, 877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG. Start with this beautiful stock, ACC, patterns ready to go. It's just turned green in my MV2. You'll love it. And at the end of the month, if you don't like it, what you did is invest $39.95 in yourself. But you're going to love it, and you're going to see it works. It does work. Okay. Listen to this here.
This is about a middle-income tax cut. Both plans have, for the median family of four, over $1,000 of tax relief.
Our tax plan is aimed at making sure we give middle-class Americans a tax cut. We do believe the tax reform...
If that's true, then why is it temporary? You know, here's what gets me. These lobbyists, you know who these lobbyists are? And you tell me they're going to help us, the middle class, when they made it temporary? You got the former Speaker of the House. You got Dennis Hester. You got Senator Majority Leader Bob Dole, the former House Majority Leader Trent Lott. You got Dick Armey. These guys all left the Senate and the House, and now they work for K Street. They're lobbyists for the mutual fund industry. They're lobbyists for whatever. They're lobbyists for the financial centers. So this tax cut, believe me, they're gonna get the best deal, because, and what they do when these lobbyists walk in, these are old buddies. They're all pals. They're all drinking booze and cigarettes and cigars. They all work it out. And you really think the middle class is going to get the best deal? We'll be right back.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
One day, she'll play with her grandkids.
One day, he'll walk his daughter down the aisle.
One day, these kids will grow up with your help.
Thanks to you, St. Jude Children's Research Hospital is leading how the world treats and defeats childhood cancer.
Treatments invented at St. Jude have helped push the overall childhood cancer survival rate to 80% today.
We won't stop until no child dies of cancer.
Our discoveries are freely shared with doctors everywhere.
And no family pays St. Jude for treatments, travel, housing, or food, because all a family should worry about is helping their child live.
So if you have healthy children, give thanks.
Give thanks.
Da las gracias.
Give thanks.
Give thanks for the healthy kids in your life and give to those who are not. Donate now at stjude.org or shop where you see the St. Jude logo.
philsgang.com. What are people saying?
I've been in the financial business myself about 24 years. Very much enjoy the software program for the charts.
I love the new MV charts on Phil's software, and I'm making profits using them.
Complete guidance and professional education for investors who want to succeed in the stock market.
I love your new MV1, making lots of profits.
I love the chart. You know, I'm limited with time. Real good as far as just looking at whatever ticker tells me right away.
I've always enjoyed Phil's straightforwardness and talk about what's really going on.
The new MV1 and MV2 charting software, I particularly like the pre- and post-market candlesticks.
You guys have always been great on the service side. I can't say enough about the service side.
Don't wait. Sign up for Phil's Gang today. Give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy of Phil's Gang. I got a great opportunity for those people who are disgusted with the market, who don't have time to learn. What you do is follow me in the exchange-traded fund that I'm invested in. Every day you go to my site and you can see exactly what I am doing with my investment, and you can mimic me. Nobody else dares do that. Join the gang, philsgang.com.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. We're offering the most powerful stock charts available on the market. The Max Vest 1000 charts. Now, the difference between these charts and all the other charts is this follows the money. Yes, it gives you a buy-sell signal. I know you're going to say, well, they all do. No, not true. The difference with the Max Vest is they follow the important money. The hedge funds, the biggest banks, the 401ks, the pension fund managers. That's the big difference. They're not following the emotion. That's what most charts do. They follow the money. That's what MaxVest does, follows the money. Check it out. Join my gang, philsgang.com. Oh, and the chart is low as $19.95 a month. For more information, just go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG. We will see you on the charts.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-4264, 877-600-4264, 877-600-4264.
It's never too early to plan for the holidays, and this year, why not give the gift of comprehensive stock market investing knowledge with a Phil's Gang gift certificate? That's right. For only $39.95, you could give someone special on your holiday list the gift of the Phil's Gang membership. What a great idea. Giving someone complete access to all of Phil's material, including the daily live webinar class, alerts, Phil's recommendations, plus so much more. For more information, simply go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
They offer a free weekend seminar class. They put big dazzling names with their programs. But are they really just offering a sales pitch? At philsgang.com, we are the leader in teaching, informing, and helping members understand stock charting, investing in the stock market, and making true profits. With over 40 years of investing experience, only Phil Grandy and the philsgang.com team provides daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, all the investing educational videos you could imagine. Plus, the philsgang.com friendly customer support team is available when you need us most. Why pay thousands of dollars for a weekend seminar when for only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com provides all the daily market investing information you need to make profits in the stock market? Don't hesitate. Learn, invest, and make profits with philsgang.com. For more information, simply go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Again, 877-600-4264. Welcome back. Learn, invest, and make profits with Phil Grandy. Simply go to philsgang.com. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. Here's the number, 877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG. They're there to take your call. And there's two stocks. They're going to be on our video, okay, our video class, which is simply you go to my homepage, and it says right at the top, you can see it says MV2 Video. And then I will do ACC, that's American Campus. And then I have another stock that I'm looking at that is ALK, Alaskan Airlines. So those two, I'm going to tell you exactly what to do. You pay $39.95 and do just exactly what I tell you. It takes you a minute, not even a minute. This is wonderful for people who are so busy, or people who say, I just want to make money, I don't want to learn anything. Try it. It works. People love it. I mean, everybody's got a minute a day. You got your home device, your mobile device. You go on and say, okay, what am I supposed to do now with American Campus? Or what am I supposed to do with Bed Bath & Beyond? It's specific. The instructions are specific. It's clear. You can't get screwed up. tells you exactly what to do. Just follow it. And nobody I know does this. So check it out. Here's the number, 877-600-GANG. And right now we have 2 stocks I'm starting with today. ACC, and that is that's American Campus. And also ALK, that's the airline, Alaskan Airline. All right? So 877-600-GANG. They're waiting for your call here in Sarasota, not in the Philippines or somewhere else. Okay. All right, so we're talking about, they keep, everybody's so giddy about this tax reform and how it's going to help everybody. I mean, it's going to help the middle class. And I got to ask the question, well, how's it going to help the middle class if you're making it temporary? That makes no sense to me at all. Not at all. To me, it makes it fraud. If you're going to give me something and then you're going to take it away from me, you just want to make me feel good. That's all. Yeah, you're just making me feel good while you're giving the other guy all the stuff. You're giving the large corporations all the stuff. You got to be kidding me. It's crazy. Now, as I said, we had rate hikes. We're going to get another rate hike December 13th. We got 2 more. That's going to kill corporations. It's going to kill their profits. It's been over a decade since we had a 3% economic GDP growth. Last year was 1.6%. And the CBO says this year it's going to be 2.3, but they're telling us it's going to be over 3% this year when they've done nothing for the last year. This changed anything. It takes time. What did they change? I don't see it. Now, there's 3 things that gives you growth, and everybody knows this, okay? First, you got to have a workforce. You got to build a good workforce. You need capital investment, where the CEOs take their profits, take the money they borrow, and they plow it into their company for equipment and technology. With new equipment, new technology, you can produce more goods. When you produce more goods, that means you can demand a raise. Not that you're going to get it, but you can demand it. Unfortunately, they use over your head, well, you asked for a raise, I'm going to send your job to Mexico. But that's another story. So, and remember, from that capital investment, when you're producing 13 hats instead of 3, you should be able to ask for that raise. That's called productivity, and wages are supposed to go up. Productivity, wages are connected together. But you need a workforce. But here's our problem. How can we get 3%? We have an aging population. Here's the problem with our workforce. We have an aging population. It's affecting the size of our workforce. That has grown less than 0.5% year over year for the last decade. Capital investment for the past decade, 10 years. CEOs have not plowed profits back into their company. Instead, they enrich themselves by buying stock buybacks. Over $12 trillion. None of that money went to Main Street. All of a sudden, we're going to get lucky? Are you kidding? And as I said, when you listen to John Gruber, remember, he's the one that told us, thank God, Americans are stupid, or we could have got Obamacare through. Now Cohen and Mnuchin are saying the same thing. Thank God Americans are stupid. We could never get this tax cut through. We really make them believe it's a good deal for them, for the middle class. We're going to take it right back from them. Isn't it amazing? Crazy. In fact, before the final tax cut is even final, companies like Home Depot, Bank of America, Johnson Tools, T-Mobile, Sienna, and dozens already unveiled their new stock buyback plans, shoving it right into Trump's nose, slapping him, saying, no, thank you very much for the additional $8 trillion. Each CEO is going to make an extra each CEO is going to make an extra $8 million they're going to put in their pocket. Thank you for the extra $8 million. I'm not going to plow it back into the company. They're being honest about it, the CEOs. But we keep hearing how this is all about the everything's going to be great. Everything is about the how we're going to make jobs and our wages are going to go up. But they're telling us no. So we don't have the 3 components that we need to drive this to 3%. We don't have the workforce. We don't have the capital investment. We don't have the productivity. And we got 4 rate hikes already. And you're going to tell me we're going to be so lucky to think we're going to get to 3%?
Tax cuts, I think, are going to be fantastic for the economy. So you have a global melt-up that's happening, which is fantastic for everybody.
Oh, global melt-up, which is fantastic for everybody. I love that. That's pretty good.
What a bunch of liars. What a bunch of liars. The only way they're going to accomplish a 3% GDP with more, remember, we're going to have more rate hikes. The only way they're going to do it was statistical trickery. They're going to adjust the inventories in soy, our transports of soy, that's where they always do it, and government spending. It's like the 401k. You know, every time the stock market corrects, and we get a correction about every 7, 8, 10 years, they drop, usually, they wipe out 40 to 70% of your money. So you people that are in 401ks, that's another group who's been lied to. You've been lied to so unbelievably. I mean, it's unbelievable how you've been lied to, people in 401ks. Look, I'm going to tell you right now, if you're lucky and you made money, get out of your 401k today, and I don't care if it goes up another 20, 30%. Put the money in your pocket, because folks with 401ks never, ever make money because they keep you in too long, and you always give it back. You never make money. You go, oh, I wish I got out. Oh, I wish I got out. And then when you go to get out, your planner, your money manager talks you to staying in. Are you nuts? 401k mutual fund fees, on average, including hidden fees, they're skimming $22 million a day. Skimming. And compare, every $100 you invest in a 401k mutual fund, in your mutual fund, that's about $3.10. It's about $3.10 on every 100. That's what you got to pay. Are you nuts? Compared to the spider of 14 cents on each $100. Let's put it another way. Let's say you put $100,000 in, and it grows to 7%. If you take 1% out as an annual fee, right? That's $574,000, right? $574,000. Now, that's if you're an ETF. But if you're in a 401k, you don't get $574,000. It drops to $324,000. It's the difference between $324,000 and $574,000 is the hidden fees, and you stay in these things. Join my gang right now, 877-600-GANG, please, and try this for at least 1 month.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. Did you miss today's Phil's Gang radio show with Phil Grandy? The archives are absolutely free, posted in audio and video formats. Go to philsgang.com, philsgang.com. Let me ask you, do you have a backup plan? Most of us have a financial backup plan. What if your backup plan doesn't work out? What if the market corrects 20, 30, 40%? At philsgang.com, they go to great lengths to develop stock market investing programs that match the needs of their customers. They are closely aligned with what the customer wants, and they have comprehensive educational investing programs that are tailored for beginners to experienced investors. philsgang.com provides daily live stock market webinars. They post up-to-the-minute market alerts, stock performances, and market analysis. For only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com is making sure their customers have a financial backup plan by providing the investing tools and guidance that their customers seek. For more information, simply go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
We will never fully understand what we've asked of you or your families, asking you to put yourself in harm's way, to endure it all. But we do understand that it's our turn, our duty, to keep you secure for the rest of your life. Wounded Warrior Project long-term support programs help our most severely ill or injured veterans live independently, at no cost, for life, so that they might stand at ease. Join us at findwwp.org.
Phil's Gang and Choice Trade are separate and unrelated companies. Choice Trade does not provide any investment advice or recommend or endorse any particular security or investment strategy. At philsgang.com, we're always striving to understand our members' needs. And for over 18 years, philsgang.com has met the goals to educate and inform investors how to make the most of your money and your choices. That's why Phil Grandy and philsgang.com has teamed up with Choice Trade, a leading online broker for stocks and options. Choice Trade has received 4 stars 6 times from Barron's in their annual survey of online brokers. Bill Grandy at philsgang.com recommends Choice Trade as your online broker. For more information on Phil's Gang and opening an account with Choice Trade, go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. You love the Phil's Gang radio show and Phil's commentary? Then you should check out the Phil's Gang website and view our free material. Join Phil's Gang for only $39.95 a month. If you're a seasoned investor or know nothing about investing in the stock market, but are interested in generating extra income or securing your financial future, go to philsgang.com and get daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market data, alerts, investing guidance, and stock recommendations. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com today. philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG. Welcome back to the Phil's Gang radio show. Want to know more about Phil's Gang? Go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
We're coming off of a week where we just saw some great economic data. You're seeing a rip-roaring economy right now. We're moving into a period where this is as good as it gets. $6 trillion in market value gained. This is a very good time.
Oh, a very good time. $6 trillion in market gain. Really? Well, let me ask you, Maria. Remember Maria Bartiromo? Everything's on fire, and because of her and her cronies on CNBC, they wiped you out. $8 trillion in equity. $8 trillion you lost because of her and the rest of them. Now she starts again. Oh, $6 trillion in market gains. Really, Maria? Why don't you tell the truth? 80% of Americans together as an aggregate own just 8% of all the shares of stocks. That's it. If we put 80% of all Americans in a box, only 8% have the shares. Only just 8% of all shares of stock. That's it. That's all they own. The richest 1% owns almost 40% of the stock market. They're the ones that are picking up the $6 trillion. Not the guy who's a laborer, not the person who's working on wages. People who are working on wages are getting screwed in 401ks. Why don't you tell them the truth? Get them out of the 401ks. Oh, no, you're not going to do that because your advertisers will get mad at you. Yeah, your advertisers get mad. 401k is the largest skimming operation. Matter of fact, do you want to know how bad these lobbyists are? From the day the SEC brought to the attention of the Senate and the House banking committees, and I'm going back 26 years ago when you had 2 criminals involved. You had the head of the Senate, you had Dodd, and the head of the banking committee, you had Barney Frank. The 2 criminals headed both those committees. By the time the Senate brought to them the allegations, all the skimming, all the 27 hidden fees, it took them 26 years before they acted. Now, what does that mean? It took 26 years before they said, we're going to look into it. 26 years before they looked into it. Oh, wait a minute. And it took another 6 years on top of the 26 years before they started trying to put some legislation in. Why? Because they're getting rich. Dodd and Frank and Maxine Waters all getting rich. And all the lobbyists all getting rich. Trent Lott, Dick Armey, Bob Dole, all the saints. They want to put statues up on the Capitol Hill with them. They want to take them, put on Mount Rushmore, these guys. What are you, nuts? Bunch of crooks. Your 401k, you're not going to get out in time. Look, stay in it if you want. Go ahead, stay in it if you don't believe me. That's fine. But why don't you try this? Why don't you try tonight when I finish my video, which we update all day through the day, 24 hours a day we update, and it takes you 1 minute, just 1 minute. Go in and look, and you're going to see ACC, and I tell you exactly when to buy. Now, the ones we had before were Juniper, BBBY, AU, and the Spiders. Juniper, we had a total of 20% gain, and BBBY 26%, AU 13%, and Spider 5%. But I cut them back and I said to you, we averaged 10%. I wanted to even go back and say 10% because nobody's going to believe we had those kind of returns. So I told you 10 minutes ago, our returns are about an average of 10%. Now, the one thing that is true, not all our gang members get all the 26%. They all get it at different times. But the most important thing is not when to get in, get out. When are you going to get out? For her to come out and say that kind of nonsense, that, oh, look at this, the economy's booming. No, the economy's not booming. She's trying to say the stock market's the economy. You notice that? She's saying the stock market, she didn't say the stock market's booming. She says the economy. She's being a fraud. Listen to what she says.
We're coming off of a week where we just saw some great economic data. You're seeing a rip-roaring economy right now. We're moving into a period where this is as good as it gets. $6 trillion in market value gained.
$6 trillion market value gained. There's nothing to do with the economy. Nothing to do with the economy. That has to do with low interest rates, giving the companies money at low rates to go out and buy their own stock to make the earnings look better than they are, and then it pushes up the stock price. It's fraud. It's a stock bubble. Exactly what Trump said when he was a candidate. It was a big, fat, ugly bubble. But I'm sorry, when he became president, he said, oh, no, it's no more big, fat, ugly bubble. So all I can offer to you is, look, believe me when I tell you, when she says the stock market went up $6 trillion, that is not the market. Did you get a raise? Did you get a raise? That's not the economy. I'm sorry. Not the economy. Did you get a raise? Did you get overtime? She's saying the economy's booming like we've never seen it before. Did you get a better job? No. You're afraid to go to your boss and ask for a raise because they'll ship your job over to One Hung Lo in China. See, this is the problem right here. This is the problem. This is the problem. Look, the 401k is one of the worst. It's a failure. It's a skimming operation. They skim $22 million a day off these 401ks with 27 hidden fees. You don't even see it. Took 26 years before they said, oh, we're going to look at it. 26 years. And even then, as I said, it was another 6 years on top of that. Why? Because the mutual fund industry had, at the time, and still do, 156 former congressmen, of which 17 were members of the Senate and House Banking Committee with Barney Frank and Dodd and Waters, all filling their pockets. Now they're going to protect the 401k mutual funds because they're getting paid to. Then you get Varney and Payne and all these guys and Maria talking about how the productivity was boosted. Really? Where? Where do you see that? When I go do my research, productivity is down. It's not going up. It's shrinking. But see, they're not going to tell you the truth. So here's all you need to know. When I give you the video, just take it, look at it. It takes you a minute, not even that. and just select one. Don't take all the stocks. I'll put in 2 or 3 and just take one. Doesn't matter because I guide you on each one. Here's the number right now, 877-600-GANG, and then all I ask you to do is remember St. Jude. When you start making some money, remember St. Jude. That's what's important. Boy, I tell you, it's amazing, isn't it? I mean, these people, they'll say anything. They'll say anything. And how do you say that the economy is doing good? Even the market's not doing good. The market's a fraud. But here's the thing. What a beautiful thing to be in the market. Because now, for the first time, you will be able to get out exactly at the right time. Where you're in a 401k and the market starts to crash in the morning, they don't let you out. You can't get out until after the market closes. Yeah, you got to stay in all day. You could lose 40% of your money being in there all day. Are you kidding? These people use nothing but statistical trickery. They use stock buybacks. That's fine. Let them keep doing that. Let them keep running the market off. Let Maria Bartiromo keep being their cheerleader. But you got to get out in time. So let's take advantage of this fraud. Let's take advantage of this scam. Let's take advantage of it and make money. So we also have, by the way, I want to make sure if you guys are in stocks like the FANG stocks, be very, very careful. Stocks like Google, okay? All right? Be very, very careful. Do not be buying Google right now. I'm warning you, okay? It's been going up for the last 4 days. Don't get sucked into Google. You also have Facebook. You should be now selling into these stocks. If you were in Facebook and it dropped from $184 down to $169 and now it's back up to $180, take your money now. Sell into that snapback. Sell right into it. See, these are the things that when I put a stock up in my video, exactly what I tell my gang members to do with these specific stocks. And we got some beautiful stocks. As I said, we got all together, we got Juniper, Bath and Beyond, we got Gold, AU, we got UA, we got even Merck, MRK, that's another we think it's going to be terrific. We got Alaskan Airline, ACC, GE, that's another we're watching. So check it out. It's $39.95. Here's the number. They're waiting for your call, 877-600-GANG. And don't listen to these people. I'm telling you. The stock market is not the economy.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. It's up to me to make my dreams. philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com